India's Budget 2024, which aimed to stimulate economic growth in the country, continues to fuel a political storm. Now, today, opposition found a fresh ammunition after Union Minister Nitin Gadkari appealed to the Finance Minister to remove GST on the insurance premium. Now, Gadkari has urged Nirmala Sitharaman in a letter to remove the 18% GST that is levied on life as well as medical insurance premium, saying that it leads to levying taxes on the uncertainties of life. The Union Minister further detailed that the tax on medical insurance premium restricts the industry's growth and further impacts society. And he also highlighted that the insurance segment is a social necessity. The letter has now added more fuel to the opposition tirade against the Finance Minister's first budget of the NDA Sarkar. Congress has alleged that even BJP mantris are unhappy with the budget and lauded Gadkari's appeal to the Finance Minister. Listen in.
Very happy that Cabinet Minister Mr. Gadkari has endorsed my demand, which I made yesterday on the floor of the House, asking the Finance Minister to remove the 18% GST levied on health and life insurance premiums. We are a very underinsured country, and we must encourage people to insure themselves. And by levying GST, you are making the premiums expensive. And you must treat insurance as not only as a social cover, but also as a mode of saving. So we should remove GST. I am very, very glad that Mr. Gadkari has endorsed what I demanded in the House yesterday.
It is very clear from the part of the Congress that whatever the members of the Parliament from the Congress has raised regarding the GST on health has become a truth, because the Honourable Road Minister for Roads and Highways and Transport has himself claimed or demanded the same. So we have been constantly asking this, but when we asked about the health GST issue, the Honourable Finance Minister told that we are covering so many people in different various health schemes by the healthcare department. That was not the answer, but the answer was the question was very specific. But when Nitin Gadkari has made such a demand, it is very clear that Congress has asked a very genuine demand.
Meanwhile, as far as Bharatiya Janata Party is concerned, the party has said that Nitin Gadkari is a senior minister and a short discussion on his suggestions will be held.
Well, suggestions on budgets are always welcome, and Nitin Gadkari, being a senior minister, he has suggested something to the FM. And definitely this is a matter which is to be taken in the GST Council. I'm sure people will be considerate with their views.
But despite assurances, Congress has now alleged that the letter is a sure sign of internal dissent in the Saffron party against the Prime Minister. So we saw a letter that has been written by Nitin Gadkari to Finance Minister urging removal of 18% GST on the insurance premium. But after that, the reactions coming in from the opposition party, wherein they are saying that this is a clear sign that even the BJP ministers are not happy with the budget. And they also went to Lord Gadkari's appeal to the Finance Minister. My colleague Teshri is in fact with us on the broadcast. Teshri, we saw the letter that Nitin Gadkari has written to the Finance Minister, but definitely now the opposition parties are saying that this is a clear sign that even the BJP ministers are not happy with the budget, as they are also not happy. Give us more details.
Certainly, opposition leaders are now lashing out at BJP and particularly at Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. And in fact, after this letter of Nitin Gadkari that was written by him to the Finance Minister requesting her to withdraw the GST imposed on premiums for life and medical insurance plans, this has in fact created once again a controversy. And now opposition is also saying that the ministers of the BJP are in fact not in parallel lines to agree with what the budget was presented, and that is why they are saying that Nitin Gadkari, a minister like Nitin Gadkari, has come out in a disagreement and has in fact said that he has written to Finance Minister also following a memorandum. Now we'll have to see that how political war of words erupts, because certainly BJP will also be reacting to it, because the letter that has been written to the letter that has been written by Nitin Gadkari to Nirmala Sitharaman, that has also said, in fact, he also said that Mr. Gadkari has also said that the union met him also, and in fact also raised the points to for the differential treatment to savings by way of life insurance and reintroduction of IT deduction for health insurance premium and consolidation of public and sector general insurance companies. So all these demands were raised, these concerns were raised. So that is why now opposition is raising all these issues. However, the finance minister has trashed the opposition charge. She also said that centre has provided the funds to all the states and that politics should not be played and opposition should not divide the country into different states the way that they have been doing.
Well, absolutely. And BJP has also said that Nitin Gadkari is a senior minister and that his plea will be heard. Now, shifting our focus to the national